down. Come on, 2 more. Okay, good. Hi, my name is Zen, and this is Kobe, and you're watching the Corgi Tours. This is what happens when a wannabe photographer meets a multi-decade-old family business. This is what we get. So the idea is simple, right? We have corgis, we have campuses, and we got a lot of competitors. So why not have some fun with it? We bring the corgis to, any campuses in a 100-mile radius within the Bay Area. We get some good photos of them, we let them play around, and we let them meet some new people to help socialize them. It's a win-win situation for both us, the corgis, and, life in general. Because wouldn't your day be brightened with some corgis? Maybe. Anyways, it's good for the SEO. It's pretty cheap in terms of advertising. And it beats, just using Google Ads, because that feels like yelling into a void and you don't know if someone hears you or not. Yes. And, these are our our previous photos from Stanford. I think it turned out pretty well. Now, before we start, like any good businesses, we need to get into uniforms. From Wetzel Pretzels to McDonald's, everything should be standardized, don't you think?
Hell yeah.
All right, let's go. Wait, can you just explain to me what happened? Someone just left the bag of shit in the car.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
So my hot dog suit smells like shit. It's my dad dumped a sack of shit.
Big dreams, rolls on his own, but he's got big dreams. I've seen all the shit he's seen. Never had a dad, he's only 15. Mid-teens, big dreams. Could've played for all the big teams. Could've been a star in the big leagues. Young brother, will you please believe?
But when we got there, we forgot it was Llama Day, so there was quite a lot of people on the glade. Oh, we were swarmed, but the puppies loved it though, and had a lot of fun just playing around in the grass. Plus, we got some good pictures, so that was a plus. After we got the photos of the corgis, which in my opinion was some of the best we had from any of the campuses we had visited before, we just explored the campus more and got the puppies accustomed to the leashes. One problem we had was that Berkeley had a bunch of stairs, and because of how young the puppies were, some of them had never seen stairs before and were afraid to go down them. Come on! Come on! Come on, it's normal. What do we do? He won't walk. He's scared. He's scared of heights. All right, I'll hold the good one. Oh yeah, there we go. See, it's not that high. Yes, 2 paws down. Come on, 2 more. Okay, good. You're fast. You're fast.
Yeah, he knows how to walk. I told you.
What was that bait? let go the red one. I'll hold him. Did you see how fast it was?
I told you. They know how to walk. They don't like to be on the rope.
Come on. No, I fool me once. Shame on you. Fool me twice. Shame on me. You can't fool a fool. So then we made our way to the Sather gates. Those gates, the green color gates, yes, where you see all the iconic Berkeley photos. We got more photos there. A lot of people met the puppies, and yeah, they had a good time. So if you guys got this far into the video, we haven't really introduced the puppies yet. So we got Charlie, who you see in the Tigger costume. He is the most shy out of the entire litter and would not walk on a leash. So we kind of had to Baby Yoda him for the entire trip. It turns out way later during our UC Santa Cruz trip that Charlie just really dislikes walking on concrete and walks fine in like soil or anywhere in nature, basically. Then we got Boo, who's extremely clever and is kind of a trickster. Dude would pretend not to walk and has broken out of his collar more than once. He also just loves to nibble on his leash, but that's more of a puppy teething problem than his personality. Finally, we have Bucky, who is basically the leader of the litter. He is the most explorative out of his brothers and sisters and would try to explore as many hedges and bushes as he can. Usually you'll find him with a big stick that's larger than him, and he has a brown and blue eye, kind of like a Renegon. We like to refer to him as the mini Obito with an Indiana Jones personality. Shout out to all my Naruto fans out there.
Yeah, he's a bit rare for a corgi.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god. The jacket.
Oh, his little tongue is sticking out of the jacket.
Yeah.
He's my baby. Oh, this one's so soft. This one's my baby. No, baby.
So thank you, Charlie.
No, baby man.
Yeah. My name's Joe Exotic, and I'm gonna be financially ruined for this.
And that was a wrap. We got some final photos of the campus, set some Tiger King lines, and went to our favorite place in Berkeley. Hello guys! If you enjoy these type of content, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to help us get some new toys for the corgis. The rest of the video is just stuff that's kind of funny and us bullshitting around. Come on, there's only grade deflation here. Yes, grade deflation. No good grad school.
My name's Joe Exotic, and I love my tigers. They have a heart, soul, and mind. I saw a tiger,
And he saw me!
I saw a tiger.
And he saw me!
That's right.
Joe Exotic.
That's right.
The Hulu edition.
Allah.
Hello!